Alright, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be painting some doors for my LBZ build. You can see them here. They're all been, did all the body work and they're all in 600, sand down to 600 now. So we're going to seal them, lay some paint down. So after an hour, I came in and I found a few little, you can see it here, little pinholes that I fixed. Zoom on in, just in a couple spots. Fix them. Now we're gonna do our first coat of base coat. They're all looking pretty good. That one looks good, no pinholes. Now that we got our first coat of base on, I added 10% hardener so we can use just a foam back like 1,800, and you just go over it. It'll just knock all that nibs off just to get that super clean finish. If you have any little imperfections, the hardener just makes it a little bit better to sand. So you can kind of just do it all one way. Just go over all of it. It'll just knock any nibs off, and just give you that much nicer of a finish. So now that we went over everything with that 800 sponge pad, it should look like this, kind of dull and pretty flat, nice and flat. So we'll do 2 more coats of base, and then it's clear. Okay, so now we got the base coat on. Just let it flash off. Just make sure we're happy with everything. So it looks pretty good. And then we can put the clear coat on now. See how nice and straight that thing is and laying flat. So we'll mix up some clear. Okay, we got the third coat of clear on. Literally, it's super flat. So we'll just turn the heat up, let it sit overnight, and put them on tomorrow. Let's go.